Welcome to the Paoli High School Auditorium. This short video is auxiliary sound devices going through the sound system. Our technician is Dylan. Hi Dylan, how do we run a DVD to the auditorium?
So what we're going to do, first things first, we're going to make sure our projector is turned on. Ours is already powered up, but basically we have a remote with an on switch on the very top left, little red on switch, and a standby switch on the right. You'll want to push the on button, aim it to the sensor in the back, right here in the middle. You'll want to power it on, and then you'll see your power for the projector come on. And also don't forget to lower the screen, which is just on a rocker switch down here, and you'll just push it down, which will lower the screen for the image on the projector to hit. So the next thing you'll want to do is come over here where you have your DVD player located. Make sure that your DVD player is on, and then you have a switching device which will allow you to switch from DVD into two separate PC inputs. We're going to want to make sure that we're selected on the DVD, and now since we're selected on the DVD source, we now have DVD projected up onto the screen. So you're ready to project. The next thing you'll want to make sure is that you have audio from your DVD player. We have a fader channel 32 labeled DVD, and this is going to be audio from the DVD player device going right into the console. Again, make sure that you have a solid level of input. We don't have a DVD playing right now, so we don't have any signal coming in. Make sure you have plenty of signal coming into the input on the DVD player, and then you can bring up the channel fader to feed the mains, or additionally bring it into a monitor.
Great Dylan. How do we show a YouTube clip or something from a flash drive stored on our auditorium computer?
You would like to use the computer. Now that we have our projector on and the screen down, we'll want to go back over to the switcher and select the PC input rather than the DVD input. We are currently plugged into PC2, so we're going to select PC2, and we'll make sure that we have our HDMI adapter to VGA plugged in the back of the computer to feed source to the switcher, and have something pulled up. So we now have a YouTube page pulled up. We're projecting to the switcher on the right input, and now we have signal out to the projector. If we want to go ahead and play our video, we're going to again go over to the soundboard, make sure that we have sound, and you have channel 30, which is iPod and laptop. It's a shared channel, and I'll show you how to change to an iPod or an iPhone here in a second. Now that we have signal coming from our computer, we can enable the channel, bring the fader up, and we have signal going out to our mains. If for some reason you would like to play from your phone, an Android or tablet, or an iPad, all you would have to do is pull the 1/8 inch headphone jack out of the computer, plug it into your device, and play however you'd want. And then it'll then come to channel 30, which is the iPod or laptop. So if I had music playing, I would then be able to bring this channel up, and I would have audio into the system from my phone or tablet.
Dylan, what is an assisted hearing device?
An assisted hearing device is basically, looks like this. It's a series of wireless packs that only take one audio signal, and all it's going to do is take an audio signal from the mains. So whatever you are mixing into the mains, we have a CD playing. If we want to give someone that's hard of hearing, that may be sitting in the back and can't quite hear the sound system, their own personal sound system in their ear, all you'll have to do is grab a pack, make sure you have batteries in it, which will be 2 AA's, and then turn on the on-off switch. The on-off switch is also the volume. If you turn it all the way up, it'll be very loud, and then once you turn it down, you won't have anything. So that each person will be able to then control their own personal level into their ears. And that is really all you need to do with the hearing impaired system. Every pack is the same channel, same frequency, and gets the same signal. So you hand someone a pack, they turn it on, and then they're able to hear whatever you have playing in through the soundboard directly into their ears.